lo hacemos todo rato, y lo hacemos todo rato, y lo hacemos todo rato, y me volverás. Y si con otro pasas el rato, vamos a ser felices los cuatro, y agrandamos el cuarto. Y si con otro pasas el rato, vamos a ser felices los cuatro.
I hope that you guys are having an awesome day. My makeup looks like a hot mess, but it's so good. I'm going to be doing a haul today, but I'm also going to combine this with other videos as well, with all my other hauls and unboxings, etc. because I'm waiting for other things too. And I wanted to unbox my friend mail from Jessica. If you guys don't know her, you guys should check out her channel, and I'll put her down below and right here as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to ring that bell so you guys can get notified. So I'm gonna do Jessica's package. So I wanted to share you guys what I got from her. I think you guys saw in her live, but I'm gonna share it anyway, you know. So she got me this little card right here. She got me a nice card. Yeah, so like I read it like earlier, so I really appreciate her kindness and her friendship on my channel. I'm so grateful for those people who I've met so far on here, and you guys are like my best friends, my home girls, my home dudes, you know. A few things. The Urban Decay Distorian eyeshadow palette. So it looks like this. It looks like this. It looks pretty cute. A lot of mates and neutrals and stuff like that. And so very grateful that I finally own one. So she got me the Too Faced Best of the Year one. And this one was from this year, so 2018 on it. Like that nice pouch, so like if you want to put your makeup in and stuff like that, stuff that's inside and stuff. First palette is this one. It says I Believe in Pink, so I really like that. And there's also like a to and from. It also has like the plastic right here is Natural Beauty, and then when you open it, it looks like this. So it's really cool. It has a lot of neutrals. This one, and it's called Super Fun Night. So it looks like that. And I'm gonna keep your card safe in my bed. Went to the Juvias website, and I got 5 things. So I'm gonna show you guys what I received from Juvias, well, what I got from Juvias. So this one is the Nubian by Juvias palette. I've been wanting this for a really long time, but I've just been waiting for the sale, which is like the other day and stuff like that. So I really like it. This is like the way I want to wear like an everyday basis, but I will definitely do a look on this in the future. And the next one is this new one right here, because this one recently came out and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get that ASAP. You know, I don't really care about the other stuff, I just care about the palette, really. You know, I like palettes, don't judge. The palette looks like there's like 2 people in here. That reminds me of somebody, I don't know. And this one is the Festival by Juvias. Looks like it's so pretty. This one is the Double by Juvias. Package is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. 3 people, you know, 3 little girls. So yeah, this is what the palette looks like. Looks like this. Very cute. Reminds me of like Easter, colorful, spring, summer, kind of, you know, what I would wear. So that's pretty exciting. So this is the other one that I got. It's from, this one is the Zulu by Juvias. So I feel like I have all the palettes. I have, so, you know. So this is what it looks like. I love it. It looks so weird. I don't know, because I have my phone like dark because my phone's about to die. Because yes, I film on my phone. So yeah, this one looks like a neon green, like a Tiffany blue, but like very shimmery. And this one is like all mattes and stuff. This is like very glittery. This is like all mattes. Just like 3 shimmers in here.
This one, I've been dying. Let's take a moment. Let's take a moment right now.
Palette looks like this. This is my favorite one for real, guys. Like that. So there's a lot of shimmers and mates, a lot of mixtures in this palette. So I really, really love this too, because you know I've been wanting it for a while. So those are all the goodies that I received from Jessica and what I've recently purchased. And guys, is the Ipsy one right now. So when you open this, it'll show up like that with this butterfly makeup bag. It's so cute. I always smell the bag like the weirdest thing ever, but they have like a nice scent. I don't know why. When you smell their bag, they actually smell really good. And it shows butterfly, social butterfly. Mud mask for the face. And this is basically good for like pores, hydrating, anti-aging, brightening, and soothing type of cream. Is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream Lipstick. This is the Sao Paulo. So it's like I think it's a Portuguese language, I think. But that's the shade. It looks really cute. I would totally use this. Next thing I've received is the No Made Stocking Midnight Sun. Oh, so this is like a highlighting powder. So it's like a sample. Like a little mini thing. And it says M on the side right here. Ooh. I can tell I'm gonna like this, so it's gonna be fun. Ow. Bag is the Delectable body lotion. This is nice. This is like a good amount of this lotion. Like I would totally use this if I'm like going out on a trip or something, or probably like going to Six Flags or whatever. Powder. I'm so excited. So they gave me a banana setting powder. This is so cute. Medium shade, so that's good. They're reading me pretty well. So that's awesome because I've been needing a powder, a new one. So thank you, Ipsy. I'm actually impressed with this month. I love this because I have a lot right now, but I'm not too mad. I'll be definitely using this, but I'm not sure about this product, but we'll see. I'm gonna give this to my mom because H Cosmetics box. I only got like a few things that were recently released. H Cosmetics Weekend Festival palettes. So this is pretty cute. It's like this. I love the packaging. It just fits the Coachella vibes or any type of festival that's going on. And the colors, very pretty. And coin. This is also the one that came out as well. This is the back. Open it. Oh my god, it looks like a unicorn. I love this. This is really cool. I didn't see this in the picture, but it's very awesome. I like it. Totally gonna use this a lot. Sleeve is this one right here. So this is, it looks like that. So this is probably like the shimmers, like the highlighting and the contouring and stuff. And then once you open this side, this is all the eyeshadows right here. So I'm definitely gonna use a lot of this in the future. There's these brushes, so they're like kind of little, but they're very cute. I like little brushes sometimes. It looks very pretty. I love it. So the color is Golden Toffee. This is what it looks like. It works perfectly on me. I have like dry and combination skin, so it's perfect. See you guys in my next video.
Si con otro pasas el rato.